Welcome back to Tech Nuggets. This is a brand new video series on AngularJS version 14. Before we get into this video, if you have tumbled on this channel first time or not a subscriber yet, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button now. And this series will have multiple videos. In this video, we will cover the basic introduction and installation. Let's dive deep. First of all, what is Angular? You must be aware of what is Angular, otherwise you will not be looking at this video. Anyway, let me do the quick introduction. In order to do that, we have to visit the official Angular website angular.io. So what is Angular? Angular is an application design framework and development platform for creating efficient and sophisticated single page applications. And Angular is one of the popular MVC framework. In that, the model carries the data and view renders the user interface and controller controls the action. If you don't know MVC, that's one of the popular framework and standard way of building the application. So what are the advantages? Develop across all platforms. So learn one way to build application with Angular and reuse the code and abilities to build apps for any deployment target for web, mobile web, native mobile and native desktop. So you learn one way to build an application so that the same skill can be used to build any kind of across other platforms, be it a mobile, web mobile or desktop. Okay, and the other one is speed and performance. So achieve the maximum speed possible on the web platform today. Take it further by a web workers and server side rendering. That's going to awesomely increase the speed. So Angular puts you in control over scalability, meet the huge data requirements by building data models on RxJS, Immutable.js or any other push model. And it's got incredible tooling, meaning it's got a lot of declarative templates and you can extend the templates and components. Also, it very well natively integrates with any user interface, IDE, okay, any integrated editors, and you have got a large user community support. Okay, okay. Let's look into how do we set up development environment for Angular. First of all, first dependency Node.js. We need a latest Node engine. In order to do that, let's go into nodejs.org and download page. Let's take this latest version, that is 18.12.1, which comes with npm 8.19.2, and choose your OS. I'm going to pick Windows installer 64-bit, and let's go ahead and download this. Okay, okay, it's downloaded. Let's go ahead and install this. Okay, accept this one and go ahead and click next. Take all the default one, say next. Let's do this, will take all the required thing. That's it. Let's go ahead and let it install. Once its installation is complete, we'll be back. Yeah, okay, the installation completed. It took few seconds to complete it. Since we have clicked the additional tools, it's trying to install all the additional tools using PowerShell. Let's wait few seconds to complete this. Okay, let's go ahead and install Angular CLI. So in order to do that, we need to check the node version and this one. Let's do that. Go ahead and check. That's right, 18.12.1. Good. Now let's copy this. That's it. So it's going to install Angular CLI. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds. Once the installation complete, we'll resume the video. Thanks. The installation completed. It took few seconds. However, there is a new npm version is available. It's asking us to check this command to update. Okay, let's update this too, then we'll visit again. In order to create an application, we need to create a workspace. So I've created something called Angular v14. Then we need to run the new app command. So that is ng new my app. It can be any name. Okay, so it's going to create a skeleton folders, required files and folder structures, and it will get ready for this. Okay, once it's done, let's revisit. There are further questions on that. So let's say, would you like to add Angular routing? Say yes or no. So it is a basic application, but still we'll go ahead and give this yes. Then we have to choose which CSS would you like to have, simple CSS or SCSS or SAS less. Okay, let's go at CSS. That's it, it's creating. Let's, once it is done, let's see it. Okay, package is installed. It really took some time. Based on your internet speed, it will take time. So let's go ahead and run this application. So how do we run? So let's go ahead and check. You should have my app folder, cd my app, then the command ng serve open. Okay, again the usage data question is asked. So would you like to say no? And it is generating browser bundle applications. That's a base setup. Ideally it will take a couple of seconds to generate and it will start running. Okay, it compiled and it is running. It's running at localhost 4200 and compiled successfully. It opened browser also. Voila. So you have done your first Angular application basics. Okay, so thank you for your time. Let's see in the further parts on the detailed drill down on this applications, various components of the applications. Thank you very much once again. See you in the next video.